Hey YouTube kittens! It's Kathy Cat with the Family Mart Socks. Yes! And if you know anything about me, I make really epic bath times, and I saw the most coolest thing that Japan is doing, and we are gonna do it together today. Dun, dun. So this one here combines two things I love, which is ice cream and bath bombs. It's ice cream bath bombs! Japan, this is why we love you! Just look at that, it looks amazing. It comes with a lot of extra little spoons and all kinds of fancy stuff to decorate it as well. Here's the different types of smells. I'm excited. I hope you're excited because we're gonna do this now. Try the Japanese ice cream bath bomb challenge. Challenge start! Words cannot describe how excited I am about this. Let's pull the stuff out. We have like Baskin and Robbins look-alike stuff here. I guess those are the different types of bath bomb powders. What? There's so many! There's so many! This is amazing! Instruction manual, I'll probably do need that. Okay, this is the bowl in which I'm supposed to mix it all. Oh, and here's the cute stuff. That's a huge spoon. Spoon, mixer, spatula, and some cute decorations. Now, I read the instructions and they're quite extensive, but as far as I understood, you can make about up to 5 ice cream flavors, and you can also add whipped cream and decorations to it. Now, you have to be fast because they get hard, and once they get hard, you can't really continue doing those. So the pressure's on, so let's do it. Challenge start. Very first one is A and B. Let's do it. It goes in. Oh, that's like a very fine powder. Oh my gosh, don't breathe that stuff in. They said to prepare it on this little sheet. Little sheet has been sheeted. And then a small spoon. Cute spoon here. And put that one into one of that. Oh, that's way too much. Shoot. Panic increases. No. And then we're gonna mix this with the mixy thing. Mixy thing. Mixy thing. Oh, it smells like bath bomb. Mix, mix, mix. That's how it looks. Time for B. B, 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 B. So B is, again, just the white powder. Ah, so you can see how the chemicals are now reacting with each other. So we really do need to be fast to get this done. And then we put this over into a bowl and we start on the next one. Boom. Let's do mint green. 1 water. Ah, perfect. 3, 2, 1, let's go! This is epic! Look at that color. That is intense. That is so Harajuku fashion. I love it. Time for the reaction. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be the best bath time ever. Minty bath bomb power. Minty bath bomb power. Pink. What's pink gonna be like? Okay, the powder is a bit pink. Ooh, that smells like Sakura. Don't mess it up, cat. Don't mess it up. Yes! Booyah! B is for booyah. Oh, it looks like strawberry. In German ice cream, we call it Fürstpichler. Schwarz-Rot-Gold. Like the German flag. Is that something in your country? Anyways, that's the color. Ta-da! You know that kind of crackle pop ice cream that Baskin and Robbins has? Apparently I can mix that, so I'm gonna do that. I'm your ice cream. I'm your bath bomb. Sha-la-la-la-lum. Sha-la-la-la-lum. There must be something that rhymes with bath bomb. We're gonna first do the normal stuff, and then mix in the other stuff. Now here comes the fun stuff. We're gonna add those little crackle and pop sachets. They look like little sparkly stars. Looks like this now. Okay, add a little bit of the yellow stuff. That's just intense though. I'm gonna add a little bit of the red stuff into the strawberry one. I think that would make it look a little bit more like strawberry. And the rest in here. I don't know, now it looks just wild. Okay, that one has a lot of stuff, so I'm glad I have a big bowl left. Oh god, there's one more. If you haven't commented yet with your favorite ice cream, then I want you to comment with your favorite ice cream right now. Hold your breath. Did you hold your breath? Oh, it does look like chocolate. Very much like chocolate. Ta-da! Step 1, making of the ice cream is done. Step 2 is scooping and making the ice cream For this, we have a nice ice cream standy thingy and a scoop. So let's first get some plain vanilla because it's the one that's getting hard already. And then there's the Scooper Wooper with the Schloppity Woppity. And you go to squish squish and you go put that on top. And that should make something that looks like an ice cream. Oh, it works! And it's so beautiful! Nice! There are these nice little samples here. So I want to do the blue and red one because that looks really cool. So a little bit of blue and then scoop a little bit out of here and I got a little bit of red. Time for the Scooper Wooper. Whoop whoop and bam. Oh man, that looks so good. This is gonna be the best bathroom in the entire world. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a masterpiece of beautifulness. So beautiful, so sticky, but so beautiful. Mwah. Now, I want to do the craziest of all of them. I want to do the fizzy type of ice cream, crackle and pop one. That's the one I want to do. Oh, that looks really real. It looks like ice cream. Strawberry cheesecake coming up right for you. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Choco vanilla, choco vanilla. Vanilla and chocolate. Come on, do the thing. This is the ice cream we call Le Catty-Cat. It's Le Catty-Cat Special. And a little bit of mayo. No. Don't you fall. No. Okay, that's a beautiful ice cream flavor. The Catty-Cat Special. But this is where it gets fun. No. But now it's time for decorations. So apparently we have a couple of cool and cute decorations here that we can add to our ice cream to give it the extra cutesy pootsy look. Big ice cream cone. Yay. Don't stop falling. No. I'm not having any of this. Stop with your tantrums. And I think we are good. No, we're not. Stop falling. I'm gonna try and make this super fast, super high, and we're gonna see how far we can go. So let's do this. Okay. Number 2, strawberry. Oh no! It's a miracle it didn't go all over the carpet. Okay. Oh, there you go. Well, that is good and solid. Stop it. Okay. The solid colors are a lot better somehow. So those ones seem to hold the best for now. If you have a little bit too much water in it, it can totally ruin them, which happened to the vanilla one. Okay, I think this is pretty good already. And oh yeah, let's add some love at the top, candy in the sides, and spoon. It's wonderful. Okay, I'm kind of proud of this one. This is gonna be the one that I think will have to go into the bathtub.
You've been tasty, you've been wonderful, and now it's time to set you free and turn you into the ultimate bath bomb ever. There's nothing but bliss, and I know that this will go on. It's not just me, that's the chocolate, not quite so attractive in the bathtub. It's just me.
Alright, that was the Shua Bomb Shua Patchy Eyes DX, which is a very long name for this product. I guess it was a bit more difficult than I thought it would be because this is for kids. I mean, apparently you have to be over 6 years to be able to play with this. Maybe I didn't quite pass that for whatever reason. but I had fun. But if you want me to review more of these kind of Japanese weird and crazy goodies, they have a whole collection of that stuff, by the way. Want to see the other stuff too? Let me know in the comments down below. I do need your comments, so please, I appreciate you a lot. So guys, life should be sweet. Let's be sweet to each other and do what you love and love what you do. Fizz fizz and have a lovely bath time, which is what I'm going to be having now, so